This is not a trail I want to be on.
What is that? What is that?
So that was herring. We're not, we don't do this type of hardcore stuff very much, but once again, my wonderful trail mapping turned us into a mess. Now this doesn't look that bad, but you should have seen us having to come through this mess. We had to shimmy, shake, shimmy, shake, use lockers on, off, trail turn, assist. It got pretty nasty, and it only gets worse. Probably doesn't show very well on the camera, but yeah, we couldn't get through here because of that stump right there. My tire kept getting jammed up on that. Smart. So we had to go around this way, which was not easy. We had to shimmy and shake to get around, but we made it. And I want to just say we made it thanks to my wife's awesome, whatever you call it, her awesome guiding through this mess. So, yeah. But hey. So, let's see. Yeah, I think we found every trail not to go on, and we're doing them. But we're still having fun. So now I'm going to just inspect the damage. I did lose both of my mud flaps again. Had to bend these out because they were shoving into the tire. Gonna have to do some removing of that. And once again, I'll have to figure out how to get some mud flaps on there that can survive off-roading. And apparently I'm guessing that they don't. Tell me in the comments. Anyway. Yeah, something like, yeah, dumbass, don't put mud flaps on when you're off-roading. Duh. Anyway, let's see. It looks like it's okay. I mean, it doesn't, I don't see anything leaking. Ain't no tires loose or anything. So, I mean, Bronco's doing it.
Boy, that was worrisome because without our winch.
Without the winch, which we have not yet gotten.
Axe. I told you to bring the case.
The axe is in there. We had the axe. I just didn't want to axe through it.
Well, we might have hit the
tire.
That
would have been, yeah, that would have been a nightmare to try to axe through with that short little axe. All right. So, according to Onyx, we are right here. And we just went through that mess. And it looks like, well, actually, yeah, it looks like we still have a mess to go through. I think it's time to scout. I'm gonna go up one way, and then we'll come back down and go the other way and see which one gets us out of here faster. Because I don't think my satellite is my shit's updating as to where we're actually at.
Well, this looks like it's driven by big vehicles. That does not.
One of them looks good.
It's driven by big vehicles.
All right, I'm gonna grab my Coke.
I just know it's the right way to go.
I have a feeling. Huh? You know, I also got that massive cedar stump that's laying over.
And look how squishy it looks in the corner there. I just don't think that's the way to go. Not this trip anyway.
The wife says that way.
We're going
Let's wander that way.
Excuse you.
Excuse me. Let's see what's down this road.
Here, bear.
Bear. Bear. Snakey snake. Oh, wrong place. Bear, bear, bear. Let's see what's. Huh? Well, as long, yeah, they stalk you until they need you. Oh, honey, I don't know, sweetheart. Oh,
Try to go
mud.
back out.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just turn around here. We got a spot to turn around and try to go back through that shit. Probably get out easier than we came in.
Yeah, I don't want to try to go around that shit again. Oh, how did that happen? I just got a stick walking by a bush, and a stick just literally poked me right in the ear hole. How the hell?
Maybe we should just turn around here and go back. You can get through that straight through. Right?
Checking both directions. Oh, it's a little icicle. Okay. Crap. Does this just loop around and face back towards me? Have I just at a dead end? I think this goes back around. I think it just goes.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
Well, we'd end up going away back down
We
the.
need to go back down the way we came and just shoot down that one thing. Can we go straight down it? I think we can. It was hard. It's easier to go down than it is to go up.
I'm just worried about that one stump.
It's just sliding.
Since this was so fun the first time, we're gonna do it again. Only because we know what's this way. We don't know what's that way. This way we can get out of this mess and hopefully get back to roads that we prefer. Please don't trip. Much more. I'm running my fender, honey. Hey, come here and look at this. Right, let me see if I can get around it. Yeah, I know. Trying.
So that nurse, right?
Yeah.
You don't want to get stuck on this.
Right, right.
So I would go further and
Try to back it.
try to back
Do a
up
3-point.
downhill better. Yeah.
Do a 3-point little turn.
Yeah. Because you're going to miss this. Go in there. Go more. A little more. A little more. Stop.
What not, dude?
Pull this stuff in. You have to just ride.
Yeah, you're gonna have to ride though. You're not gonna be able to walk through that mud. You gonna walk through that mud? You can't get through that lake. You gotta ride.
Want me to take her lap?
Guess we need to keep some.
Okay, go in here.
Need to keep some handy wipes in the truck.
Hey, get over here. You're good. You're good. You should be good. Must be silly. But you don't think it will. Alright. Alright. Oh, don't forget about that stump up there. Can't you just go right over that?
Yeah, dude.
Shit. I forgot about this one.
This is opportunity.
Huh?
The thing is opportunity.
Right over here, there. You gotta put a foot over here. Do something. Oh, Jesus, hit that one stop. How did you get over that?
I'm playing right over the top.
Did you go right or left?
Point this way.
You see that? Oh, yeah. Come on, Bronk, get us out of here.
I'm gonna sit completely. Not gonna stick a boot.
This is the worst of here. This is the first puddle I looked through.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Nope.
Yep. We're up the top now.
Shiver. Damn, it's just a hop, skip, and jump around here.
Yep.
I think that was the thing to do. You know what I mean? Oh wait, no, this is the puddle. And then there was 2 more.
Yeah.
But these are not. These were the fun ones.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, the ice cream broke.
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove this, so it's easy.
Yeah, you did this part.
I had laughed when I was starting to do that, when the truck would just do it, and I'm like, that works.
Yeah.
Well, that works too. Boom. And now here's the other part one. Dump shit. Okay, now we gotta put our windows up because we're gonna get killed by mountainous trees. Well, honey, that was adventurous.
Yeah.
I mean, it would have been fun to continue, but I was a little worried without our winch and
No,
stuff.
I agree. And that it was getting a little too sketchy for me. Even with the winch, I'd be like, I don't know. Damage the body of the truck. It's bad enough for getting scratches from hell. That's not too big of a deal, but
Watch your thing of rocking with.
that was it. You heard this
I know, I'm
4020?
just saying, remember up here it gets a little tight.
Well, it's laying down, or it should be. Because it's two like it's
Yeah.
2 wheels. And we used everything we had to get through that. Front lockers, rear lockers, trail turn assist. Somebody needs to clean these trees up. Oh. 4 low. So I'm done now. I just finished the 4.
Oh, mine's out again.
Yeah, I got hit by the brush or something. I put them both in when we're going through all that stuff.
Right up here is the turn left. In the clearing. At least we're able to get back out without, without.
We didn't have to call Matt.
We've been waiting a while.
He just did a recovery in Colorado.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's not so far for him.
Well,
Gotta
it's
go
because
apart,
the insurance
that's all.
company needs it out. But nobody in that area was going to do it because of where it was. They're like, all right, we're not doing it. So he called, everybody refuses. Call Matt. Matt will come get it. It's not too, it was a bit of a drive, but it was like, it was pretty cool. It was pretty hardcore where it was at. I'm just going to sit and enjoy the view for a minute.
Eat our snacks?
Eat our snacks.
Here. Oh my god.
A little bit of, there's a nice little trail over there, honey, on that hill.
Where's that clear cut?
No.
Try this over here, let me see clear cut.
Mm-hmm. Let me say TV.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Let's see what it says. There's a little post back here. There's a little post back here at the beginning of this trail. Let's see what it says. Can come up here. I swear to God, I see a Jeep on there. Right here.
Is there a post there?
KP. Let's see what it says. No. Coyote shit. Look, coyote crap. Dog crap. Wolf crap. All right, let's see. Motorcycles, ATVs, and Jeeps. Pack it in, pack it out. Yep.
A
Yep.
Jeep would make it through there.
This is the size of a Jeep, honey.
No, but I mean, if we had higher lift and this and the other, we may have done better.
If we knew what we were doing, we may have done better. Hi. There's our damage. Tearing the mud flaps off. Thankfully, that didn't puncture the tire when it rubbed into it.
It's actually getting nicer out here.
It's getting nice and warm out. Mountain that you can't see, but it's there. It's right there. Trust me, it's right there. I don't know why I can't see it in the camera, but... All right, well, I'm gonna finish up our snack, then head back down the mountain. Was it this way or this way? Sorry, I'm trying to get this to set. Okay. Nice through there, right through there. I mean, it's, you know, wonky, but it's wanted. Yeah, chainsaw's in your garage. Load everything up. Okay, except for you forgot the chainsaw. Man, you imagine if we had a 4-door in that mess? We would have never got out of that. So many times I had to do shimmy like this just to get it with a 2-door. Yeesh. Should go down there and see if find Sean's wallet.
That'd be funny if he's still fucking here.
Oh, but there's a little car right there. What the door?
Car? That's a different one.
Oh, is it? It looked like a little car. Sergeant.
Oh, wait, whoa, wait. Are you taking me up that fucking hill again?
Yeah.
It scared the fuck out of
Yeah,
me.
but you're not scared anymore.
What the hell I ain't,
Oh,
babe.
that's how you get up there.
Oh my god, babe.
There is no other way.
What do they think about that? We went up there.
What, the kids?
Yeah.
Oh, they were having fun. Piper was Piper was sitting in your seat. John was in the back seat. Or no, John was in the front seat because Piper was in the back seat. They had fun, and I had the top off at that point. Yeah, they were like, yeah, this is. Yeah, you want to go down that road, right?
Yeah, didn't somebody move it? Did somebody move it and get around it? I don't know anything around it.
No, I think it's got a big ass boulder right there. It's a boulder. Road. It's big, two big boulders. So you have to go this way. Which is silly because you can still go around. Well, somebody's been trying to go around that way. Don't make trails where there's not trails, guys. That's what gets us in trouble. And this section right here is nearly as bad as what just went up. Short.
Oh my god. Are we gonna go that way?
I think either way goes fine. Yeah. This one goes through. Right against them. That was a fun little steep dip, wasn't it, honey?
Does that come out or do
Water crossing. I think that goes back up to the top. So somebody's gonna come through here. Oh, the ice is busted up.
it too.
Maybe.
People would just climb
I
on
don't know,
it.
let's see, people have just been going
You know,
around.
they'd be
People are
putting-
just going through the shrub anyway. Switch it back to 4 high. Stop here, you want to go to the next one?
Didn't we go to the next one last time?
Go to the
Yeah,
next
let's go to the next one.
I remember we came up here one time, we got up here to go to the next one, and there was some creepy dude back here. This truck. For like,
The place we stayed had a lot more space to go out, so it's gotta be this area and stuff. So is it here? Put it here. Okay.
look at that. Is that far down there?
No, it's probably the creepiest. Just this.
Setting date's ajar. Oh, my butt's open still.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. And we're down to time to get another battery again. These things go through a lot of battery. All right, so we made it to the top of Nikolai.
3,000.
3,000 some odd feet.
12 feet.
3,012 feet, according to something. Where do you see that? Oh, yeah. Boom, boom. On the OnX, it says it's 3,012 feet. And so now we're going to head over to Nat Creek Falls. However, my battery's almost dead on this one. I do have one more battery. I got a couple of charge in. So we're not going to record this on the way out because it's kind of boring and you've seen it all. So, but the wife wants to go.
In a little while.
Yeah, the wife wants to go see Nat Creek. So we did not make it to Nat Creek. Because it turns out OnX has the new Navigate on their app, which is amazing. It's awesome. However, it kept trying to get me to go down trails that were made for ATVs and motorcycles, side-by-sides. Clearly, I'm not going to do that with this. We had enough fun already today. I have to see if there's some settings that I can set up to where it makes it anyway. Really cool feature. We'll have to check it out a little bit more. Got some drone shots. Still a little tentative with the drone after the tree incident. But we'll get it edited together. Well, it should be edited together. You should be watching it now. Anyway, we're done. We're heading home. Got some mud on the truck. Lost a few mud flaps. Honey, you have fun?
Did. Great day.
You did some trails that were good. And yeah, we're all aired up. Hitting the highway. Hey, if you're liking these videos, which I hope you are, don't forget to subscribe. I've got 4 subscribers now. Woo! So we're moving on up. Next video is going to be our trip down to United by Bronco. Big Bronco to get together in Hurricane Utah. If you have a Bronco and you haven't heard about it, look it up. You should get signed up, go down and do it. We'll do some trails together. Hopefully you'll all say hi. Somebody. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and happy trails.